Hi, I'm Anand Pansare. I look after the Australia operations of Intellimint and also work in the capacity of the CTO of the organization, leading some of the key technology initiatives. We started Intellimint about 10 years back with me and Prashant, just the two people. We started as a very focused business intelligence solutions and services company with about one client and one technology that we worked with. Since then, we've actually faced a lot of hardships, challenges, but at the same time, the journey has been extremely enjoyable. The testimony you'll find in the people who worked with Intellimint, who worked 10 years back, are still working with Intellimint. Most of the team is intact, and they would very fondly and proudly remember their time at Intellimint. Since the beginning, we have been very focused on the innovations and providing client-centric solutions. By that, what I mean is we would build our capability. We would always be at the forefront, talking to the clients, understanding their pain points, and within the limited scope that we had, how we can resolve and solve their problems. By the virtue of us actually being very focused and passionate about the technologies and the customers that we worked with, we have been able to work with the same customers and retain them for over 8 to 10 years. Some of our founding customers are still our customers. In terms of the technology, we started with one technology in BI, and now we service clients in most, and I might say all the leading technologies in business intelligence that you can think of, and most of the customers in all the domains: telecommunications, manufacturing, banking, financial services, customers we are serving. And most of the customers are still very happy engaging with Intellimint. The engagement part, they feel we are quite easy to work with, flexible and likable company. I am quite proud to say this, and I hope that Intellimint provides you the same family culture and is ready to welcome you. As I mentioned earlier, Intellimint has always been quite focused and passionate about business intelligence and providing insights to our customers to help them make correct decisions. What started as a services oriented company has now transformed into more solutions and our own products as well. The company is taking the next leap, and now we are looking at building Intellimint 2.0, which is a next phase of our development, and the company has already started transforming into its next phase. In this phase of the company, we are looking to now build practices and our own products. One such product is our own text analytics framework that we have built for as part of projects, in some cases as part of our experience, and as a part of our R&D in various cases. As we speak now, we are in the final stages of packaging this particular product, which allows customers assess and analyze the sentiment of their customers via social network feeds, via big data platforms, via surveys that they conduct. So we are building such innovative products. There is a team now as we speak being built who will concentrate purely on R&D and product building. Likewise, we also are forming customer-centric solution teams who work very closely with customers and help them understand and deliver value through our engagements. Adding to this, recently we have started few more initiatives. Now we are actually getting into the areas of mobility, cloud, and big data in a serious way. By that, what I mean is, last year we actually helped one of our customers build a product on mobile, which is a mobile app, which won an award for the most downloaded app in the Australia region. So we are getting serious about mobility. At the same time, we are actually setting up our applications and products for use in cloud, in Amazon services, as well as we are developing products in the big data space. So where we are at today, the future for Intellimint looks really great. We are working in some of the leading technologies. Our domain, our focus area is one of the prime most areas, and we enjoy a very good company of our customers and our partners, and the most importantly our team, which is probably you. So we are very selective in the partners, or be it the employees and associates that we work with the mindset that whatever we get into, the partnerships and relationships stay longer and are very beneficial for all involved. With that, I look forward to working with you in the coming future and build the next phase of the company with you. Thank you very much.